Everybody, how are you doing? It is Hugo back here with a brand new video on my life, my journey. Today I have a very exciting and interesting video according to me. So today I will be showing you how me and my guide dog Astro walk from point A to point B. Let's say for example from our offices to home and things like that. So if you are interested in seeing that, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Ready to go, also hop up. There we go. Hop up. Straight on. That's a good girl. So there might be an obstacle up ahead, usually a vehicle standing here, and Astro will guide me around it. I don't want to show too much of the area, but here is the vehicle coming ahead. Here's the vehicle. Steady. Hop up. Good girl. Just a guide. Hop up. And that's how we do it. So you just say Astro, find a curb, she locates the curb, and we stop here. We check for traffic. It's clear. Just say hop up. We continue walking, and she will find the curb and hold here. There you go. We just say again hop up. That's a good girl. An obstacle in front of us. So lead me to one side. So hop up, steady. So take me through. Hop up. So we'll stop here. Hop up. We have another obstacle in front, and she leads me around it. We just keep going. We are going to come up to. There's another obstacle I didn't even see, where she helped me, and then I think there's another one of those in front. Let's just have a look. So let's see. Ah, here it is. She slows down, hop up, and then we continue. Then just looking to find the curb. We do the route that we're used to, passing a tree, then Astro find the curb again, and come to a stop at the curb. Good girl. We wait, see if we are in vehicles. Someone coming. Just say, if you don't hear cars, we just say Astro, hop up, and we continue walking. Okay, so we are very close to home now. So I just tell her, Astro, find the gate. Now she will take me to our gate. Here we are. And just like that, we are back home. I hope you have enjoyed this short video of me and Astro walking. If you did, please hit that like button and please leave a comment below. And if you want me to do another longer video of me and Astro walking that has a bit more detail in it, please also let me know in the comments below. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed. If you did, please like, subscribe and share the video. Till next time, bye.
If you want to see more amazing content, please visit us on Facebook at My Life My Journey and Instagram at My Life My Journey 2. You can even send an email to mylifemyjourney2@outlook.com. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos and we'll see you next time.